Good morning, children. I, Mrs. S. Ojha, am going to teach you computer. In previous class, I had explained you object-oriented programming. In this class, I will teach you programming in Java, Java features, Java virtual machine, bytecode, and many others topic. Lesson 2, Introduction to Java. Java was third generation language. It is also called high level language. The Java language was developed at Sun Microsystems in 1991 for consumer electronics devices, television sets, VCR, toaster, and other machine, etc. James Gosling was developer of Java. It is a simple programming language. Writing and compiling code in easy manner. It helps to create modular programs. Next is features of Java. Java provides some important features. First is object oriented. In Java, everything is object which has some data and behavior. Platform independent means it can run any platform. Simple. Complexity reduced here. Secure. It enables us to develop virus-free, tamper-free system. Java programs always run in Java runtime environment with almost null interaction with system OS. Hence, it is more secure. Architecture neutral. Java execute programs can run on any platform that has the Java runtime environment. Portable. Java has features that make it easy to use on heterogeneous platform. Means it can transfer to one computer to another computer. Robust. Java makes an effort to eliminate error-prone codes by emphasizing mainly on compile time error checking and runtime checking. Multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded programming language which make you can develop multi-threaded program using Java. A multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently, and each part can handle different tasks at the same time. Different types of Java programming: application and applets. The term Java application generally refers to an application that is designed for stand-alone use. A frequently used slang term for application is app. Java applications do not require an external viewer program. Application run directly by Java interpreter. Java applets are Java applications that are embedded inside HTML files and can be downloaded into a Java-capable browser. Example: Netscape and HotJava. Java applets require an external viewer. It is run on World Wide Web and Internet. Compiler and interpreter. The Java programming language is unusual in the program is both compiled and interpreted. With the compiler, first you translate a program into a intermediate language called Java bytecode. The platform independent code interpreted by the interpreted on the Java platform. The interpreted code runs by interpreter on the computer. Compilation happens just once. Interpretation occurs each time the program is executed. Java program means source code. Compiler translate it into bytecode. Then interpreter take this bytecode and interpreted to OS, Windows or Linux, any operating system. Java Development Kit or Java Platform. These have three fundamental tools: Java Compiler, Java Virtual Machine, Java Application Program Interface, hardware-based platform, Java program. All the three tools combined in Java platform or JDK. Java Virtual Machine runs Java program by another program called Java VM. Then other languages running directly on the native operating system. The program is interpreted by the Java VM, means Java Virtual Machine, for the native operating system. For example, a Java program developed on a personal computer with the Windows NT environment should run equally well without modification on a Sun Ultra workstation with the Solaris operating system, vice versa. Java APIs are libraries of compiled code that you can use in your program. These are ready-made and customizable functionality to save your programming time. And compiler, it converts source code into bytecode or class file. Bytecode. A Java bytecode is a machine instruction for a Java processor. A file of bytecode is a machine language program for a Java processor. A Java processor is a silicon processor chip that directly execute a machine language called Java bytecode. The source program hello.java is examined by a program called Java C running on your computer. Means we compiled our program, then our source code convert in bytecode. This is class file. Hello.java is a source code, Java C, Java compiler, and Java compiler convert source code into bytecode, that is intermediate code. The extension has changed hello.class. .class is an extension of Java bytecode file. When we compiled source code, it create a class file. Java interpreter is a little difference. Java compiler produces bytecode, not machine code. Bytecode can be run on any computer with the Java interpreter installed. Java statements, like in English sentence. In Java, a program is a set of instructions which are simple tasks provided to a computer. These instructions are called statements in Java. By default, Java interpreter runs one statement after another statement in the order they are written. Many of the statements defined by Java, however, are flow control statement, conditional statement, looping statement, jumping statement, branching statement, etc. Compound statement is any number and kind of statement grouped together within curly braces. You can use a compound statement anywhere a statement is required by Java syntax. Means compound statements are statements that contain operation within a block that can be surrounded by braces. For example, if else, do while, for loop, method body, class body, etc. See the example: for loop. For, then int I equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. This is the initialization condition and increment. Then body start here with the curly braces open, then curly braces close. AI plus plus means array. Array increment is keeping inside the loop body. Body of this loop is a compound statement. In next class, I will give you another topic like tokens, their types. So do practice.